Mark with Extremeedgecustomkydex, and going to go over one of our products today. This is our lockpick set. It's a credit card lockpick set. Fits inside of this here piece of plastic, really thin. Cover slides over, fits in your wallet. Okay, now that's all said and done with. Set that up just like this. Your basic lock set. If you can see the gold, brass, that is the tumbler set. This would be where you want your tensioning tool. Put that in there. Use your index finger maybe to hold tension. You want to use the curved one with the bump side going towards the keys. Let's see if this sometimes you gotta reset the pins. Most times you get lucky. You gotta make sure that the bump end goes up to, oh, you guys can barely see. Looking at what I'm doing, not at the camera. I'm sorry for everybody. You gotta make sure you pay attention to the tension, because it's gotta be just right. Too much, the wrong pins will stick. Too little, none of them stick. You want to hit all the pins. And then you just reset. One of the times that you run it through, you'll get it. There it is, and turns. See it turning, and she turns. You can email me for pricing. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, it's a tutorial on how you would pick a lock. These lock picks are all different kinds of locks. You have your standard deadbolt house car, well, not car, standard house and padlock. This is also a house and padlock. This would be another house or padlock, and this is an auto. So contact me, Mark, at the email link, email below, and look forward to talking to you. Have a good day.